नमस्ते। मेरा नाम गजेंद्र है। आप कैसे हैं? Hello, my name is Gajendra. How are you? I welcome you to my Hindi speaking video series. This series is intended for anyone who either understands or speaks English and wants to learn Hindi as a second language, or anyone who is either traveling to India or existing Indians who are currently living in non Hindi speaking states but soon will be traveling to Hindi speaking states. Let's get started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Since it's the first lesson, we will focus more on learning few basic words that are important for you to get started with Hindi language. I will be talking a bit about pronunciation and some common gestures that are popular in Indian culture. Then I will reveal the Hindi sentence structure and show you how different it is from the English language. The language Hindi is an official language of India. It is third most widely spoken language with over 600 million native speakers worldwide. It has significant communities in more than 20 countries including US, UK, Canada, Nepal, South Africa. There are many Hindi words such as yoga, mantra, nirvana, avatar, karma. They are taken from Hindi, used as English, and are included in the English Word Dictionary. These are only a few words out of many words that are commonly used in other languages, including English. You will notice the similarities between the words as we follow along this series. When you want to say hi or hello to someone in Hindi, you would say Namaste, Namaste. There are generally no time elemental greetings in Hindi such as good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste is the most universal greeting. It is said with hands folded and a small gesture of bowing. Namaste literally means I bow to you. It is customary to touch the feet of the elders in India, but it's not mandatory. Namaskar is the more formal form of Namaste. Did you notice the A in Namaskar? The sound of A is A, like in father. The same goes for E in Namaste. The sound is like A in 8. Initially, you do not have to worry too much about getting the pronunciation right, although it is recommended to learn the pronunciation along with the words. Indians are often seen performing a cryptic head bobble indicating yes or okay if moved up and down, and no if moved side to side. G may be added to the words yes and no to give it a more polite tone. G may also be added to a person's name as a sign of respect to relations like grandfather, Dadaji. In India, Mahatma Gandhi is known simply as Gandhi Ji. Older people or authority figures, bosses or government officers are generally addressed with sir or ma'am after their names. In India, even shaking hands with a member of the opposite sex is not very common in smaller towns and villages. If you are traveling to India, please keep this in mind. Casual hugging and kissing on the cheek may also be considered inappropriate, although these are slowly becoming common in larger cities or towns. When you want to say bye or goodbye to someone in Hindi, you would say Namaste, Namaste. In Hindi, the word used for hello and goodbye remains Namaste itself. Before looking at a basic Hindi sentence, let's first look at a basic English sentence. As you can see here, the subject comes first, then comes the verb, followed by the object. For simplicity, we call this structure as SVO. We took Lisa eats apple as an example. Now, let's look at the Hindi sentence structure. In Hindi, you would say Lisa सेब खाती है. Seb means apple in Hindi and khati hai means eats. So the sentence structure here is the subject, then the object, and then the verb, which would be simplified as SOV. Now let's learn our first sentence. It's a quick self introduction. Namaste. मेरा नाम गजेंद्र है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Hello, my name is Gajendra. Nice to meet you. Let's break it down. The word namaste is used to say hello or hi. The word mera means my or mine. Naam means name. Hai means is. Aapse means you or from you. Milkar means to meet. Khushi hui literally means felt nice or felt good. Altogether it's namaste, मेरा नाम गजेंद्र है, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. This expression can be said in multiple other ways using different synonyms depending upon the specific part of the Hindi speaking region, but it is the most standard one and will be understood by all Hindi speakers.
I hope this video was valuable for you, and the information that was given in this video was easy for you to understand. Now if you want to keep learning, make sure to follow this video series, because I will be making more such videos in the future. And also, since you have watched this video till the end, let me give you a useful word, which is dhanyavad. Dhanyavad literally means thank you. धन्यवाद मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए, which means thank you for watching my video. I will see you next time.